welcome to this one take bicycle tip. Let's get into it. Okay, so you're on a bike ride, you get a puncture and you realise you haven't actually bought your valve adapter, and the only tube you've got is Presta and the only pump you've got is Schrader. Okay, so this will get you home, but it might not be perfect, but let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on the stand and I can show you. So here's your valve adapter. So I've got one I've made earlier. What you do, you take the valve cap off and you cut the end off it, the non-screw end you cut. I'll try and show you. So there's two of them together. So you've got this one, which is what you need to make. So you can, I don't know how you cut that off, but you cut that off. And then you've got the other one here. So they should look like one of them's had his head cut off, basically. And then what you do, undo the valve, open up that hole, and the tidier you do that hole the better, and then screw this on. So it's nice and tight, but you want to try and make sure you don't do it at an angle if you can. Okay, so that's that bit. Now I'm going to use a compressor, but it might be that you're at a garage or something, and then that goes in there like that, and this inflates your tyre. So you have to be really mindful of that this isn't perfect, but it's actually doing the job of the valve adapter. But in an emergency, you can see, let's put some air in the tyre, and I'm pretty sure with a bit of adjustment this would have pumped this up to the pressure we need it to be. So that's what this week's one take bike tip is, the emergency valve adapter. I hope that helps you out.